everyone, welcome back to Miss Nell Speaks. And in this round, we're going to learn algebraic expression, the second part of algebraic. And this time, we're going to focus in factorization. So another word for factorization is taking out. Take out similar terms. Always remember, we must only take out terms that are similar in the expression. Otherwise, you cannot do any factorization. So example 1 gives you 3 plus 12y. Okay, looking at these two terms here, you can only find similarity in the numbers, which is 3 and 12. And you can see that 12 is a multiple of 3. So you can take out 3. And what I mean by taking out is divide. So 3 divided by 3 will give you a 1. And 12 divided by 3 will give you a 4. And don't forget, you still have the y left. So that's it. That's the answer. And you want to check, you can always expand back the bracket and ensure that you get back the original expression, then you are right. Okay, moving on to example 2. We have 3x plus 12xy this time. So still we can see the similarity in the number, which is 3 and 12. Additionally, we have an x which appear in both terms. So I can take out 3x. Again, 3x divided by 3x gives you 1. And then 12xy divided by 3x gives you 4y. So you can always expand back the bracket to see if you get the same answer or not. Okay, moving on to example 3. We have 4x cubed minus 3x squared over 2x. I mean, write the 3 properly. So yeah, this is a fraction. So what you need to do is to simplify. First we look at the top expression, and then we try and factorize out similar terms from this upper expression. So the upper expression actually shares x squared as a similar term. So taking out x squared, you have 4x left, and then the second term you have 3 left, and we write 2x as it is. Then we cut off the x for both top and bottom of the fraction. So in the upper part, you're left with the x, and similar 4x minus 3, and bottom you have f2. So what we do is we actually expand out the fraction and writing them in 2 different parts, because we can see that you can still simplify the first one to 2x squared and the next one to be 3x over 2. Yep, you can divide that. Okay, so we go to the next. Now we move on to example 4. So example 4, we have 2x minus 2y divided by 3w and divided by x minus y over 6w squared cubed. Okay, we want to change the division sign to multiplication first, okay? At the same time, I want to factorize out this upper part here that I highlight in blue, so I can take out the 2 here, living with x minus y, and I switch the division sign to multiplication and reverse the entire fraction here. Remember, once you switch it to multiplication, you have to reverse the fraction, so I reverse and write it. Okay, and then you can start to find similar terms and strike off similar terms. So we have a w, the 6 and the 3, and the x minus 1 and x minus 1, which you can cut off too. sorry for the ruler. So in the upper part, you are left with a 4w squared over 1 at the bottom. So you don't have to write the 1. That's all you have, 4w squared. So hope you've learned something from algebraic factorization and also expansion in the previous video. Make sure you try out some questions by yourself. Till we meet again. Bye bye and take care.